excited about the San Francisco 49ers, one of the legendary franchises in all of football. With great excitement and enthusiasm, I can feel the enthusiasm coursing through my veins right now.
I'm forever with the San Francisco 49ers. We the San Francisco 49ers.
It's gonna be a long road to Levi Stadium today. So Yang, are you ready? Are you ready to go see the 49ers play today?
Yes.
49ers play the Washington Commanders today. Are we early?
Yep.
Right now it's 9:40.
Yes, I want the 49ers.
Okay, so Yang, you ready to walk to the game? Just gotta remember where we park at. Okay. So Yang, which stadium are we at now?
Levi Stadium.
That's right. Levi Stadium. Look, see? You excited?
Yeah.
Okay. Who's number one, Yang? Who's
The 49ers.
That's right. Okay, so we made it through the gates.
I know.
All right, you ready to go? See, look. Okay, Yang, let's go.
Good now. So this. Look here.
Look where? Oh, up there? Oh yeah, you see the Jumbotron. That's cool, huh, Yang? So you want to get on this slide. Come down, Yang. Come down. You ready?
Yeah.
You're gonna make Mulan Man now. Come on. Wanna go? That's how tall Yang is. Measuring up to these guys. The catch. Yang, you score a touchdown.
I know that.
Go ahead, go over there. We're in. Yang, you ready?
Please. I want to go down, Dad.
We gotta go look. Where we at?
At Levi Stadium.
That's right.
Look at this. Remember to the next direction. Wow.
We're early.
Are you going there?
Right here. Right, so you sit. Right here, sit. All right. 132. 13. 132, 13. That's my view. So Yang,
Yeah.
who's number one? Who's number one? Are you ready?
49ers.
Crab Sammy. We got a Crab Sammy, swinging. Look. Woo! Can't see it. There it goes. You okay?
Yeah.
So we got the seafood jambalaya from Sandy. So we got this one. Right here, seafood jambalaya. So Yang, we found your pizza. You happy?
Yeah.
We had to walk all the way over here to find his pizza. Yeah, right over there. This is like in the middle of the stadium. Okay, it's time to eat. See the 49ers all getting ready. Look. Look up there. Got anything to say?
I like the 49 game.
So Yang, who's your favorite player?
McCaffrey,
Like McCaffrey? Okay, let's find him. I found Sing's favorite player, McCaffrey. Oh man, the GOAT, Jerry Rice. Look at that. I see, what are you? How's that, singing? Good. Woo! Yeah! It's gonna start right now, see? Can you see? Here we go. Run it back. Woo! Ain't going nowhere. You having a good time, see?
Yeah.
Yeah? Touchdown, see? Another one. Touchdown. Touchdown. Everybody's leaving. Good job. Game's over. You happy, Zing? You happy? Are you happy?
Yeah.
All right. That's it, Zing. You ready to go? Yeah, let's go. Everybody's leaving. All right, Zing. Was that fun?
Yeah.
It was exciting, huh? 49ers won, right?